Hello, random subject each vid here. And yeah, I changed it. My name, yeah. So today, so we are Apple users. We like Apple, and I'm even recording this on an Apple product. But we have one Android, and in this video, I'm gonna make it look like an Apple product. Or I'm gonna make it look like iOS. I'm gonna make Android look like iOS. It's like I have no clue how to do it, how to use it. I don't know how to use. I don't know if it's got a spotlight search. Well, this tablet is the Alcatel. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. A30 tablet. I think it's 8-inch model. I don't know. It says it every time when it dies and then when it's coming back to life. Right now I'm charging it. Okay. I don't know how to find all the apps. Let's see. Play Store. Search. Play. L-A-Y. Play Store. So, so you've got to go to the Play Store. Search. And then do, I think it's like iOS skin. Wait. Launcher iOS 13. I think you have to go to like, oh cool. So this is an app. It's called Launcher iOS 13. That makes it look like iOS. So it's got a video. I'm just gonna install it. So it's called Launcher iOS 13. It's got Samsung Galaxy. It's got Android phones that look like iOS. So install. Hit install. Then it's downloading. Then what you do is you go in the app, and then I think it's like iOS or something. I don't know. So then once it says hold on. Okay, so then go in it. Oh man, it looks like iOS. Whoa. That's really cool. Okay, so here's what it looks like. It says iOS launcher. So in the Play Store, it shows something on the bottom, and click iOS launcher, and then always, then that's what you've got. Let's see what version of iOS this is running, if it still says Android. I like the feeling of this back. So, it's called Launcher iOS 13. Or iOS 13 Launcher. So settings, no. I don't know what it's supposed to be. Huh. Well, some of it still has that Android that you can see. Like this voice search. Wait, does it have the deleted apps? Like iOS? Oh, cool, look, it's got like a 3D touch thing.
Here are some listings for psychiatrist within 7 miles.
What the heck? Get out of here, Google Assistant. Nobody wants you. Unless you want it. This looks just like iOS. Like the camera app, I'll have to show you with compared to a real iOS device. That was a recording? I thought the computer died. Well, sorry about that. Doesn't even need a charge. Dang it. Well, okay, the screen keeps shutting off. I should probably unplug this. It's still like this when it looks. Then do the passcode. Now it looks like iOS. Oh, whoa, it does. I'm gonna go grab my iPhone to compare it. This looks just like iOS, guys. Like, let's see the camera. Camera looks different. So here's the comparison with an iPhone 6. So this is supposed to be iOS 13. This is an iPhone 6s with iOS 13. Just look at camera and settings. Oh, the camera and photos. Look, go into camera. Camera. You hold the tablet. Okay. So look. It's still, the apps look like Android, but it's just the interface. Different. I just showed you guys and took a picture. Wait, really? See? Yeah. Oh. It's a pretty good picture. Okay. Get out. Let's take a picture of my camera. Ready? Oh, it's still called the Play Store. I know, it still says stuff like Play Store and stuff like that. Stuff like that. Look. Oh! What the? Well, that's what the Play Store looks like. Whoa, I've never seen a Play Store. Really? No. Weird. I've never seen a Play Store. So, I'm gonna see. So, there's another thing that said X bottom bar or something. Bar. X home bar free. So it gives you the bar that you get out like with the iPhone 10, I guess. Like how to get out. Oh, that's the app I got, Launcher iOS 13. Oh, nice. Assistive touch for Android. So I guess there's a lot of apps on Android in the Play Store that make it look like Android. Lock screen slider? What? Oh, cool. Wait, so let's get lock screen slider. Draw on top position. I don't know. So It looks like iOS, but if you've got a home buttonless Android, it'll still show these, unless you want to get that home bar app. Let's see.
How does a home bar app work?
I guess it makes it like so you can get out like a 10.
Oh yeah, that seems cooler.
So it still has all the apps that you had.
Wait, let me see.
But then,
let me see.
But it's cool. I wonder if there's any like Android apps like that for iOS. I doubt it, because Apple sees the apps. Let me see if there's a home bar app. iPhone PHONE at 10 home bar. Let's see if there's any of those apps on iOS. There's a notch remover. Guess it makes it look like... No, I didn't say Hey Siri. Guess it makes it look like an Android. I don't like this. I don't really like it. So 10's your 10 into like an Android. Well, I don't know, you might like it. Doesn't look like there's a home bar app on iOS. I guess that has to be a jailbreak. I bet you have to jailbreak it.
Home bar.
Yeah.
So like, if you get home bar, if you
get out like a 10
home bar, it'll just be like a 10. If you have a 10, but you also have an Alcatel
or an Android,
and you get it, it'll just be like a 10 or an 11. An 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max.
Home bar Pro. Max home bar. $9.99, boo.
Well, what about the
home bar free? Oh yeah. So I'm just adding it.
He was like,
oh,
Alcatel. You don't watch Dan TDM anymore.
Oh, I got it. Look, it's up down there. See? Oh, cool.
Wait. Try it out, London.
Hold on. Oh.
Try it out.
So let's see, voice search. Then swipe up. Oh, it works.
Hey, since you did that thing with the iOS instead of the Android iOS or whatever it's called.
Yeah.
Like that. Does it have Siri?
It's got Google Assistant.
Still?
Yeah.
Siri's better than Google Assistant, I think. Is Siri supposed to be better than Google Assistant?
Yeah. So I'm in settings.
Okay, everybody knows that.
And then I swiped out. Yeah, that was so cool.
Let me see. So I am in. I'm in weather.
Actually, it looks like iOS.
Does this look like iOS?
A little.
And then swipe out. What? Oh yeah, it works.
I have to use the home button. I can't swipe up like that.
Wait.
Play Store. And swipe up.
Where's the swipe?
It's invisible.
Let's see. Camera.
Oh, cool. How did you get to the...
I know everything about... Okay, that was cool. I wasn't even looking. I just was like...
Yeah, I'm glad I got this Android skin, this iOS skin for Android, because